can see, now I am in the Patuakhali Lake Park, actually which is located at Bonani, actually beside the Bonani. And so you can see at this time I'm working and making this video. Actually we should learn English practically. So if you want to learn English, so definitely you have to practice English every day. So that's why I have come here for making video, and every day I try to make some videos for you because of that you can learn English from our channel and from our pages. So at this time you can see now I am with Rushabh. Rushabh is my student. How are you, Rushabh?
I will.
So how do you feel after coming here?
I'm feeling.
Yeah, actually, definitely you have to feel good because of this place is also very fantastic place, and this weather and this condition is also mesmerizing and eye-catching view. Look at the view.
Wow.
That's wonderful. Okay, let's go. Let's go.